Hello friends, everyone will let you know how they are in the comments. Today I will talk about Dogecoin. Today I will talk about whether the Dogecoin coin will go for $1. Although the price of Dogecoin is low at present, its price will increase very soon. You all know that Elon Musk will send a rocket named Doge 1 to the planet in the beginning of March, and then the hype of Dogecoin will continue, and I believe it will go for $1. Moreover, Elon Musk has been tweeting a lot about Dogecoin since the beginning of 2022. This is a very good aspect. We all know that Dogecoin is holding by many, and Elon Musk is the big holder of Dogecoin. I have a lot of Dogecoin holdings of my own. If you have a hold, then wait for a good profit. Dogecoin will go for $1 easily. This is my personal opinion. Do comment if you think so. As you all know, Tesla has already accepted Dogecoin as payment. This is a good way to get this coin up. From now on, our next target will be 21 cents, then 44, then 70, and then $1 plus. If everything will be fine. However, if Bitcoin is not up, it is normal that all coins will be down. If there is any mistake in my discussion, you must comment. I will make the next video based on your comments. So let me know what you want to get in the video. Everyone will be fine. Stay with Crypto Doctor. Thanks.